how to transfer funds from Bitget to Bitget wallet. So funds, in this case, it will be any crypto that have funds on your account. Now, first of all, open your Bitget app and make sure to log into your account and tap on assets. From the top part, tap on spot. And now tap on withdraw. And as you can see here, you can search for the coin that you have the funds on. For example, the Ethereum. And after that, tap on on-chain withdrawal. And now withdrawal network, you can select the network from here. As you can see, you can select the BIP20 if you want. Just select the network that costs you less fee. Now to get the withdrawal address of that token, just go to your Bitget. And after that, to get the withdrawal address of that token that you want to transfer, you can go to wallet here. And now just select the network as the Ethereum of that token. And now as you can see here, select the Ethereum, the token that you want to receive. To get the withdrawal address of the Ethereum from your Bitget wallet, just tap on receive. And after that, you can see here, your withdrawal address is ready to copy. Not just copy it. And now go back to Bitget app. And as you can see here, you can paste it in this withdrawal address box. After that, you can type the amount that you want to transfer. And if you are ready to go, just click here on withdraw. And after about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive the funds from your Bitget to Bitget wallet. So this is how to transfer funds from Bitget to Bitget wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.